the e-filing portal. Form 24Q is applicable for quarterly filing of TDS returns on payments of salary. Form 26Q is applicable for quarterly filing of TDS returns on payments other than salary. Form 27Q is used for quarterly filing of TDS returns on payments other than salary for non-residents. Form 27EQ is applicable for quarterly filing of TCS returns. While mentioning TAN is a must for these forms, except for government deductors, it is mandatory for all other deductors to mention their PAN as well. In order to file TDS and TCS returns on the e-filing portal, you should be registered TAN user on the e-filing portal. The status of your TAN should be active and you must have downloaded Return Preparation Utility from the NSDL portal. There are 2 steps for filing the TDS return. You have to first prepare TDS return in FVU file on NSDL portal and then upload the TDS return, that is the FVU file, on the e-filing portal. Let us first prepare the TDS return FVU file on the NSDL portal. So the step 1 would be go to NSDL portal www.tin-nsdl.com. On the portal, go to the download section, select eTDS or eTCS, go to quarterly returns and then choose whether it is a regular return or a correction return and then prepare the TDS return. In order to prepare the return, you can scroll down and then click on the link Return Preparation Utility, download the utility and prepare the TDS return. After having prepared the TDS return, you are required to upload the return on the e-filing portal. Now go on the e-filing portal and log in using your valid TAN. Post login, go to e-file, select income tax forms and then click on File Income Tax Forms. On File Income Tax Forms page, go to Form TDS and click on File Now. Here you are required to select the relevant form between 24Q, 26Q, 27Q and 27EQ. Select the relevant financial year, the quarter, and upload type as regular or correction. Now you are required to attach the zip file and click on Proceed to E-Verify. Please note, if Proceed to E-Verify is not getting enabled even after filling all the mandatory details, please check if your profile is completely updated. Basic details, contact details, key person details, etc. need to be updated mandatorily for the e-verification functionality to get enabled. After filing the TDS return, you are required to check the processing status of your TDS return in View File Form service after 2 days. Please note that if you are selecting correction option, you are required to enter original RRR number and the previous RRR number. On successful verification, your TDS return gets submitted. After having filed the TDS return, we can now check the status of the filed TDS return. Now again go to e-file menu, select income tax forms and then click on View File Forms. You can choose the relevant form and check the life cycle of this particular form. If the status is return is rejected at e-filing, check the rejection reason on clicking View Details and then file TDS return again. In order to file the correction return, you would be requiring RRR number. Click on View to get the RRR number. You can take note of the RRR number which can be later used for filing a